Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for this shark print. It's a kids duvet set. And it comes really nicely packaged. Would make a great gift. It's already wrapped for you. Even has a little bow on it. And these come from Amazon, so I'll make sure I link all their information below. There's all sorts of different patterns that they come with, but I chose the sharks. And inside they did give you a little pamphlet that shows a few of the other designs. They have ones that have pineapples on them, which I thought were really cute. They have rocket ships. There is another shark print, and then some other ones. So there is a good variety online. It also came with a discount card. So if you order something else from this company, you could save some money. And then it came with the care instructions. So these sheets are 100% cotton, but it tells you how you can wash and dry them. And what I think is really fun about this set is the duvet cover and the pillowcases are both reversible and they have different prints on them. So I think that's super fun, and I know Jackson's gonna love it. So for the pillowcases, one side is black and white striped, and the other side is just a solid gray. And then for the duvet cover, one side is the same black and white striped, and then the other side has the sharks on it. So I think it's super cute. And it does zip down on one side, so you could insert your duvet insert in there. And then there are ties on the corner, so you can tie it down if you want to. So here's what the sheets look like when they were spread out on my bed. I love that you can make your bed and then fold the top part down, and it kind of gives it another look. And the zipper goes down one of the sides, and it opens up almost the entire length of the blanket, so it would be very easy to put a duvet insert inside. And then, like I mentioned, there are ties at the four corners so you can secure it in place. And then here's what the pillow looks like. One with the stripes and then one with the gray. And I took a couple pictures of the different variations that you can style it, so I'll insert that now. But if you guys are interested, this can be found on Amazon. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.